WT5 and you have a problem with your water washers not working for your windscreen, it could simply be that this pipe here has split. Now what I have done here is I have cut out the split section using a Stanley knife and then rejoined it using this piece of rubber tubing. Now this rubber tubing is the same tubing used for a gas fitter's water gauge, which you can purchase at any plumbing merchants. Simply cut out the desired piece you need to join the two sections together. You may require a little bit of lubricant like a silicone grease or some soap just to help push the two sections of cut pipe into the rubber coupling that you've made. And basically that's it. So with the rubber tubing in place joining the two cut sections of pipe back together, it creates a watertight seal. And as you can see, the water is no longer leaking from the joint and is actually going onto the windscreen and is now working as it should be.